to the United Kingdom, Prime Minister Boris Johnson's government is touting the country as a global leader in the big money investment race to find a vaccine. Joining us live from the United Kingdom is Annabelle Reynolds. Hello, Annabelle.
Hi, Alma. I'm okay here. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. So what are the updates from the United Kingdom?
So the update so far in the United Kingdom, Britain has the world's second highest death toll in the coronavirus pandemic. It has faced sustained criticism for its response to the outbreak, but Prime Minister Boris Johnson government is leading the country as a global leader in the big money investment to find a vaccine. Ministers claim two studies in particular at Oxford University and Imperial College of London and frontrunners in the international effort. Oxford has now received more than £85 million, $104 million and €95 million, and Imperial nearly has £43 million in the British state funding. Meanwhile, they are hoping for a new manufacturing innovation centre, which can provide enough dose of any vaccine for everyone in Britain within 6 months from next year. The government has pledged £388 million to an international drive to develop vaccines, tests and treatments, and hosting an online pledging conference for a vaccine compact, GAVI, on June 4. The UK continues to lead the global response to find a vaccine, and the government is backing our scientists to do this as soon as possible. According to the Business Secretary, Alok Sharma said on Sunday as he announced further funding. Oxford's effort involves its multidisciplinary vaccine group set up in 1994 to study a new and improved vaccine, and the Jenner Institute, which works on both human and livestock diseases. It's hoping for a vaccine that is based on a chimpanzee adenovirus, a common cold virus which is generally changed to stop COVID-19 reduced in humans. The first free trial began in healthy adults in April, with more than 1,000 vaccinations completed. The next stage will see 10,260 adults and children from a broader age range assessed. According to the World Health Organization, counts 118 different projects globally, and Oxford is one of the only potential coronavirus vaccines to have started trials. The clinical studies are progressing very well. According to the head of the Oxford Vaccine Group, on Friday, the university and the cure giant AstraZeneca have meanwhile signed a deal which could see up to 30 million of 100 million amount of the UK market available by September. On Thursday, the firm said it had secured more than £820 million from the US to help the fund production, and has the capacity of 1 billion vaccines. At the Imperial, it's helped the Department of Infectious Diseases has been testing a so-called RNA vaccine example in animals since February. It has a form of generic coding to create a vaccination which delivers instructions to muscle cells to produce an immune response to COVID-19. Testing is due to start in mid-June, before larger-scale trials in October. The Imperial warned that generating dose of the vaccine is very different to having necessary data to show that any vaccine is both safe and effective against the COVID-19. Whilst the UK scientists are actively working on different vaccine approaches, as there is no guarantee that any individual approach will work. Back to you, Alma.
Right. Thank you very much, Annabelle, for your updates. And We're interested to hear more from that vaccine and the developing story on that. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Annabelle.
Thank you, Alma. I'm Annabelle Reynolds reporting for EBC United Kingdom, and we live in interesting times. Back to you, Alma.
Thank you.